Savior! La France!
How are you doing? We have to show our social responsibility for those who's less privileged than we are.
We're going to see some more checks.
I'm forever proud because I'm in partnership with a company that has a heart, a company that listens, a company that is so generous.
Let's see our new 5K qualifiers and our existing 5K.
South Africa, we are forever! Forever proud! EMR 2018, we're gonna go to find out tomorrow. Good night.
Do you feel forever proud? Do you feel as proud as I do right now to be part of this great company?
Global leadership team, the cream of the cream in the forever world. The first level is 7,500.
And now we go up a level in our GLT. We go from the 7.5 qualifiers to the 10,000 qualifiers.
Now we go to the 12, to the EGLT. This is the highest level we have. Over 15,000 cases. If you are not on stage yet, believe that if you do this, most of you will achieve the global GLT and you will be able to reach that group.
Congratulations, India!
$239,775. $299,759. $349,000.
My name is Yukako Nishida. I am forever proud.
Nigeria, where are you?
Forever UK, Ireland, and Iceland.
The only country in the world with 2 ELGT members, and they are here.
$368,788. $407,000. $417,298. $174. Forever Living Japan!
I love Japan! And I love forever!
Give it up for your president, Mr. Greg Moore.
I am really excited of the potential we have in the future to grow. Who's committed to doubling your sales? People who want to be successful, stand up and take action. I am Greg. I am the son of Rex. And I am forever!
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, so check's going up, here we go, here we go, here we go. $546,860. Get work it, work it, work it. $556,012. Come on, buddy. Come on, work it for India, work it for India. Come on, mate, here we go, here we go, here we go. $573,368.
2017 Global Rally Spirit Award goes to Hungary! Let's see who our next chairman bonus qualifier is. Natalie Healy! Keep rubbing, keep rubbing, keep rubbing! $677,108! Let's see, here we go. Jane Leach and John Curtis. Show us the money. $891,271.
It's just a matter of leaving this audience today and saying, I can, I will, I must change your life and the lives of many, just as the Mourn family have done for us.
To celebrate our 40th birthday next year, 2018, the Global Rally is coming home! You'll be able to visit Aloe Vera of America, where we make so many of our wonderful products. We have one other event in 2018. What is it? Eagle Manager Retreat. We're going to Phoenix, Arizona.
And Dominic Kip. Five, 2, 7, 4, 7, $1,174,725. Total it up for me, boys. $26,185,824. So on behalf of Rex, Greg, Navaz, Garen, myself, and all of the FBOs throughout the world, thank you, and it's good night, Dubai.
Very good afternoon, everyone. Very good afternoon to this session. Whoever joined this session from all over the world, and I can see here there are so many guests from outside of the world. I get a few names from here. So most welcome for this session. We all are from India, and I am your host today for this session. I will introduce myself for some time, then I will start this session. I am not your speaker, by the way. The speaker whose name is Mr. Nitish Nayak. So I will introduce him also. So let me start first. First, who all are the first for this session? Please raise your hand, or even just text your name who got joined this first time this session, please. Who joining this session as a first time, please raise your hand. There is an option, there is a 3 point where you can put, and you can got an option of chat, raise hand. Please raise your hand who got this session first time, please. Okay, no issue. Can you please tell me where are you from all, who is joining this first session, like outside the country? How many are you? How many you are all from different country or different state? Can you please tell me, please? Let me know so we can identify yourself, then we can announce your name as per your city. Hello. Okay, so we need to start this session because we have a very limited time with this session. We have only 90 minutes for this session. So once again, most welcome to everyone for this session. I will introduce myself. My name is Aman Nayak. I am from India. There is a particular city which called Rosara. It's the state of Bihar, and I am from there. I was a hotel management student and after a job, I got this opportunity through my brother, because he was sharing me this opportunity from last 2 years, and I didn't have an interest while I am studying this hotel management. But after completing my course and after a year of my job, I got this opportunity, and I was looking for something which I got through this business, and I like this concept because I want to do something with my life, because I don't satisfied with my job life, which I have some dream, because I have some dream which I want to fulfill. So I got an opportunity like this, and you will get to know each thing about this business once my speaker will start this session. So I'll just introduce himself. Who is he who is going to take your interview, who is going to take this session? Many of you know very well, because I can see here there are many FVO partner who's already joined this session, and we are very familiar with them. So who is already known about the Nitish Nayak. So let me introduce about Nitish Nayak. Who is he? Who is going to present today to you this session? He's a very kind of, you can say, he's a great mentor of all of us. He's a senior manager of this Forever Living Products business. Senior manager is a great position of this Forever Living Products. As you get the explanation of this business, then you will get to know about what is the senior manager position. He is about to join Millennial Clubs. Millennial Clubs. You can understand what is the Millennial Clubs. Millennial Clubs is like you are earning more around 10 lakhs per year. So he's very close to the Millennial Club, and he's a trainer of this Forever Living Products in India. He is one of the most famous personality among 200 peoples in all around the India. So you can imagine who is going to take this session with you. So whom you are going to spend your 90 minutes. So this is a very fantastic and prestigious personality who is going to take this session with you all, because he's associated with this business from last 5 years. Last 5 years are very huge time. I just want to share my thoughts with you, because I am his cousin brother. When I was about to join his session, I'm talking about offline. I have to go somewhere. I have to go Patna. Then I have to attend their seminar. So I can see there are so many public, so many audience who was waiting in the queue, who was waiting just him to take a signature or take the attend that seminar of him only. So you can imagine a personality who just spent here 5 years, and right now he's a completely financial freedom from this business and financial time freedom, absolutely, because there are so many friends who are staying outside of the country and who went there for some money, for extra money, and he is earning just from their home only. Work from home. There is a famous quotation right now is going on a very famous way. So work from home. So on a behalf of you all, I'm just inviting the most famous personality of this Forever Living product of the Forever Living products India, one and only Mr. Nitish Nayak, who is going to take this session. Please clap for him, who is going to take this seminar for you all. Just let a big hand for him. Uh, are you there, Bhaiya?
Thank you. Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, perfectly audible.
Okay. Thank you so much for this warm welcome and this smart introduction. Good afternoon to all of you. I, Nitish Nayak from India, presenting this session to you all. I want to know just one thing, from which countries the audience we have right now. Please write in the chat box so that we can identify you and recognize your name. Am I audible? Aman, okay, chat me.
Yes, perfect audible.
Chat me. Okay, only you use the chat option. Okay, thank you. Myself, Nitish Nayak from a very small town called Rosra in Bihar, and last few years I'm associated with a business called wellness industry. Most of people, you are attending the first session of this wonderful business opportunity that involves to inherit your business, that involves to everything. And this session is especially designed for those people who understand Indian English. Okay, Muzaffarpur, Bihar, I can see Anand Kisorji. Okay, hello Anandji, how are you? And coming back to the point, the upcoming 90 minutes can change your life. The upcoming 90 minutes can change your life. Definitely, I can assure you that if you remain with us in upcoming 90 minutes, definitely you will going to notice that the opportunity you are waiting for, this is that opportunity for you. And please share the slide, Vivek. Okay, most of people are with us on Zoom, and most of people are also with us connected with our Facebook. And this is our first live session on Facebook come Zoom. And I'm thankful to Aman Nayak, Vivek Jaiswal, and especially Abhishek Jaiswal for organizing this wonderful session, and all the audience for having this wonderful day, a memorable day. Thank you and so much. And I, Nitish Nayak, personally welcome you all to the great world of possibilities, of opportunities called Forever Living Products. Clap for your, because excitement is the power. If you are not excited, you are not going to earn a single rupee. Okay, first of all, I am going to give my introduction. That is the most important part. Myself, Nitish Nayak, right now senior manager and trainer in Forever Living Products International. Joined for Forever as a user. Last 9 years, I think in 2010, my mother was suffering from some physical challenges, and Forever Living Products came into my life. And from last 9 years, yes, you are absolutely, you are on the right platform. From last 9 years, my mother and father is enjoying a medicine-free life. I got started this business in 2015 and living my dream life from last some years, creating my organization as a network, working internationally across the globe, working with a beautiful team, currently as a senior manager in this marketing plan and well-known trainer of India. All around the India, 200 trainers are available, and I am the one of them. I feel so blessed, and my vision is to create millionaires across the country, around the globe also. Are you ready for the session? I will explain something about myself, what I achieved, what I earned from Forever. We will go to the next slide. Then you will. This is my first day, and in middle, my great mentor. I want to. I request you all to please clap for him. He's a great mentor for all around the globe, Mr. Anand Gandhi, and right beside him, Manoj Kumar Sah, my mentor, and my first day in Forever Living Products, 2011. Next, we will see a prestigious level assistant manager. I achieved in the year of 2017, February 2017. Please point out me, Vivek. Please point out where I stand. Okay, exactly. That was a proud moment for me. Next, I will show you the dream level. Everyone is planning from where you are financially free. That level is manager level, and right beside me, my mother is standing beside me. That was the proud moment for me. This was the month of March 2017. Later on, journey continues and continues. Next slide, we will see. I achieved the very prestigious level senior manager in the month of September 2019. That was my all achievements which I achieved. I pursued with Forever Living Products. I will show some income little bit. Actually, from last 5 to 6 years, we are habituated to speak in generally in English, so generally in Hindi. So we are not so familiar with English, but I will try my best to deliver each and every slides with you that you can understand each and every person who can easily understand Indian English. My first income from Forever Living Products. That was the month of September 2015. The date was 15. The beauty of this wonderful opportunity Forever Living Products is you will get each and every incentive on the month of. Date is fixed either on 15 or before 15. Are you get it? What I'm trying to say? This is the powerful, my first income from Forever Living Products, 940 rupees and 78 paise. And one thing I want to say, Rome is a beautiful city, and a very old proverb in English, Rome was not built in a day. Most of your people, maybe your session will be at first time, and if you wish to start this business, you have to start with a little amount. Like you are watching on the screen, I started exactly from today 5 years before. My first income from Forever Living Products. Later on, journey continues and income increases, learning increases, and 15/10/2019, 84,428 rupees 10 paise. Besides that, you can see 15/11/2019, 88,290 rupees and 10 paise. Okay. Then journey continues. Next slide, please, Vivek ji. 15 April 2019, for a single month, I got 90,555 rupees and 41 paise. And next 15/6/1929, sorry, 2019, 15 June 2019, I got for a single month income 96 rupees, 553 rupees and 22 paise. And I was so excited, so excited. If a person got a near about 1 lakh rupees a month by staying at his at own home and earning like this, this was a great income for me. 99,642 rupees and 5 paise in the month of May 2019. 99,642 rupees and 5 paise. Later on, 1 month I crossed an income of 1 lakh also. You can see on your screen. And this is my highest income from Forever Living products, 1,32,976 rupees and 48 paise. This is my highest income for a single month. And I was at more than 6-figure income in only just 4 years. And it is proven, if you are patientful, fully you can, if you have patience, you have determinations, you can also earn. Okay, next we have, I will show you some more things. Even in this pandemic situations where the GDP of whole world, whole globe is going down day by day, I got an opportunity to earn an dollar income. Left side you can see your account has a credit of foreign remittance of Rs 7,091 rupees. And next you can see in the month of July 15/7/2020, I got from Forever Living Products India 52,676 rupees and 68 paise. Are you ready to believe this all? If yes, if you are connected with Facebook, write in comment yes. If you are connected with Zoom, write in chat yes. If you are going to believe, sorry for disturbance. 1 minute, 1 minute. Vivek ji, am I audible? Vivek ji?
Audible, bhaiya.
Audible, na? Am I visible?
Audible. Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. If you are ready to believe, you can also earn this type of income easily. There is nothing impossible on this earth. Okay, we will go to the next slide. This was my tour from India. I got an opportunity to visit Taj Hotel in Delhi with colleagues, Trainer Academy in 2018. No, this is mistake. This was, I think, 2019. Okay, next please. Next slide, please, Vivek ji. These are some fun moments, masti, you can say. Next. Okay, thank you. And these are the most important persons of FLP India, Forever Living Products India, whom called trainers. And I am also one of them. I'm so blessed to have a recognized trainer of FLP India. You can watch me. Arrow. Okay, thank you. And a personal visit for my Malaysia office. You can see you are going to watch the Malaysia office. This is the Malaysia office you can watching on your screen, and that's me. Please point out, Vivek ji, please point out me. And you can build this business in any country because whatever is a global business. Thank you. That's it from my side. Coming back to the point, we are going to start the session. Please remain with us. You will got to know everything in each and every details of this wonderful opportunity. How can you can earn so beautiful income from Forever Living Products? As it is, just example, I am earning. Are you want to earn? Are you excited? Are you excited? If you are connected with us with Facebook, comment us. If you are connected with us on Zoom, chat with us. There is two medium of connection with you all. I personally invite you all to the great, wonderful opportunity called Forever Living Products. And please, I request you, all the audience, to have a paper and pen with you. Have a paper and pen, because a very famous quote, short pencil is better than a long memory. This is the session of BOPP, Business Opportunity Plan Presentation. And this session can change your life as it is, simple as it is possible with us. Are you ready to change? Are you ready to change your life? If you are ready, then only the training will work on you. Otherwise, it will bounce. Nothing will happen. Okay, we will continue with next slide. Are you confused and tired of waiting for right opportunity? Till date, if you are confused what to do, what to not to do, then you are on a right place, because we are showing you something, the great opportunity, great business opportunity. I'm talking about business that requires no money, not a single investment. You have to only invest your time with us. Welcome you all to an opportunity to manage a great lifestyle. An opportunity to manage a great lifestyle. Great lifestyle, you know what the word? It sounds like wow. Okay, we will continue with the next slide. Many of you are thinking various things, and you have the reason for coming to this wonderful opportunity. Maybe you have the uncertainty in your life. Your future is not secure. You are worried about your health. Maybe you want to earn more and more money, or you can have your burden of bank loans, or you are not secure for your job till now. Maybe it may be possible you want to live a variety of life, a life with own boss, and maybe it can be possible you can want to do your own business, or it might be possible the requirement, the thing you want, it is not present in this slide. Think about that. What is the reason why you come to see this wonderful opportunity? Okay, we will continue with the next slide. Okay, I am comfortable more in English. Okay, first, before moving to the upwards direction, forward direction, we have some alternatives. Before that, we will see something. Okay, think before the life or past 20 years. Past 20 years, if a man earns 5,000 per month, he is capable to run his family smoothly. I'm talking about, we are in 2020 now, I'm talking about 2000. And it is the data. Right now, what is the situation, what is the circumstances, even you are earning 30 to 40,000 a month, you are not going to save a little amount. And what will happen? What would happen in this 20 years? 6 to 8 times. 6 to 8 times expenses and income remains same. Expenses remain increasing day by day, day by day. What would be required 20 years from now? Future growth rate will be even faster. Please arrow this line. Future growth rate will be faster. We have to think about this. If you are not going to earn 2 to 4 lakh rupees a month in upcoming 20 years, means you are not on a right platform. Means right now the lifestyle of 30 to 40,000 is equivalent after 20 to 40 years, who will earn 2 to 4 lakh rupees. Coming to the next slide, please. You might think sleeping, but time is slipping. No. Some Indian FBOs are millionaires. FBOs, we called the person who are doing this business, we called forever business owners. If I explain the word owner in Hindi, in India we can call Malik. And some of our FBOs are millionaires. Millionaires are those persons who are earning more than 10 lakh rupees annum in a year in white income. Some international FBOs earning crores. You can write some name, Rolf Kip. I am going to spell out the name, ROLF space KIPP. And even they fly their own helicopter. If he started forever business approximately 25 years before, this business requires your time, only time. Okay, we will go to the next slide, please. We offer a lifestyle with a peace of mind, excitement. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited for a bright future, for a quality of life? Are you guys excited? If you are connected with Zoom, please chat us. If you are connected with Facebook, comment us. Here you can get a quality of life, bright future, personal and financial freedom, part-time, no risk to your current job, no risk. You can do it in a part-time. Okay, full-time, unlimited potential in this business, full training and support, recognition. Your name will go flourish in day by day by your state, by your country, by globe. You are a recognized person. And personality development, day by day, your personality will develop, and you can share this opportunity. You can talk with the maximum number of people, and this line is the most important line of this slide. Please go through this line. Next line, please. Very impressive, very impressive. Your spouse or children will inherit your business. Whatever is the business of future, whatever is the business of hope, whatever is the business, it is not only the business, it is your feelings that you transfer you to the next generation, to your children, to your grandchildren. Go through this line. Okay, we will continue with the next slide. Traditional business. We have manufacturer, national distributor, regional distributor, wholesaler, retailer, advertisement, consumers. And a product cost 3 rupees for manufacturer, consumer have to pay 10 rupees. The rest 7 rupees are in the pocket of national distributor, regional distributors, wholesaler, retailers, and advertisement. Forever is the only simple business. Forever cut all these middlemen. Okay, please continue. Next slide, please. Forever, the company, and you, the forever business owner. Okay, back, please, please back. One slide. Back, back, back. Okay. And the 7 rupees gone in your pocket. That's only the business. This is called the direct sale. Okay, continue. Next slide, please. The very most impressive part of Forever Living, founded in 1978. Product to offer high quality products, global and operating in more than over 160 countries. And you got the opportunity to do the business in 160 countries without investing any single money. Well, hello, are you going to understand or not? If you are understanding this part, chat us, comment us. Bonus and reward programs. Largest grower, manufacturer and distributor of aloe vera. An income stream that uncapped. There is no cap. You can earn whatever you think. Whatever you think, whatever you can give your time, give your energy, give your full dedication, you can earn. That is no cap, no limit. Unlimited income you can earn from Forever Living products. It all depends upon your efforts. Okay, we will continue with the next slide, please. Two major trends in India is growing day by day: network marketing and health and nutrition. We will go to the next part of our slides. An industry which has the maximum potential of financial freedom for individual like you, like you and me, with no risk. An industry that known to produce the most millionaires without investing. Without investing. As I say in my all trainings, forever is not your destiny. It is the best transport to reach your destiny. Next, please. It is a part of huge direct selling industry in India. You can see the turnover of 2014, and it is expected in 2025, 64,500 crores. Anybody can write in words, numbers, anybody can write in proper numbers 64,500 crores. How much? You can see if you are attending this training with pen and paper. First write 64500 and crore. Crore means 70. Okay, thank you. We will continue with the next slide. If you have missed the, Aman, write it in 64,500 crore. You have to write crore. Write 64500 and 7 times 0. Okay. If you have missed the PC boom, if you have missed the .com revolution, don't miss this, because health and nutrition is a $1 trillion industry. Don't miss this. If you are going to miss, you will feel sorry for what you have missed. Why network marketing? It is a very simple business. Anybody can do it. Have you ever recommended a restaurant or a good movie to someone? Have you ever been paid for that introduction? No. I think your answer will be no. Here, what to do? First, see. Next, please, Vivek. Simply try our products that is of global quality. If you get good results, if only you get good results, you will recommend them to others, and we will pay you. I am talking on the behalf of Forever Living Products. We will pay you handsomely for that introduction For in previous, you can see for introduction and for recommendation, you don't even get a single amount you haven't got yet. But only for your recommendation, you will got little amount, and little amount makes a huge amount. Okay. Why network marketing? Tony Blair, the Prime Minister of UK, 1997 to 2007, who said network marketing is a tremendous contribution to the overall prosperity of economy of UK. And this person and Bill Gates, during an interview, if I would given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. The first man on the earth, who is talking like this. You have to believe this. Okay, next please. Why network marketing? And here's the, okay, we will continue with the next please. Okay, thank you. Let's see, health and nutrition in 2018, 65 billion. And overall direct sale was $192.9 billion. More than 50% market was of health and nutrition. Other side, you can see $630 billion over personal care in 2018. This is the data of WFDSA. You can see overall there also. Okay, continue with the next slide, please. Why network marketing? Right place, right time, same benefits. Franchisee or with FLP marketing. FLP stands for Forever Living Products. If you want to take a franchisee, you have to invest in crores. You have to invest for running cost in lakhs. You have to train all the colleagues and all the staffs. Premises, you have to take staff, inventory, all legal requirements. You have to work 24/7, and then only you can make. You can. I don't know this formula, but in Forever Living Products, the minimum order is 1,000. Cost of literature free, trainings free, premises free. You don't have to take any tension, and you can become multi-millionaire. And here you become a healthy multi-millionaire. Only one word makes the most big difference. Why Forever marketing? Completely risk-free. You don't have to work 24 hours, 7 days. Other business will own you. Here you have time to get enjoy. You get healthier and wealthier. A business where you get blessings too. Ashirvad. In India, we are talking Ashirvad, duaएं. Whatever is the only business to get lots of blessings. Trust me, I got thousands of families blessings for me, and I'm so blessed to understand this opportunity. Okay, please next. Why Forever marketing? Learn while you earn. You can earn while earning also. Invest your time with us. Our trainings are free. We are able to achieve their big success. We will help you to dream big. And Forever is a business of no limits. It is up to you how you are going to give your time. Forever gives you ethical and sound business. It is the purest work. Freedom to choose your own income level, where to work, who you work with. Over 160 countries in the world work with. Financial abundance, quality of life, and a unique lifestyle. You can decide here your own lifestyle, your own pension, and you get up when you have finished sleeping. They're very impressive line. Huh? According to your wish, you have to get up from your bed. Okay, Forever gives you all of this and more, an opportunity to leverage time and not money. Okay. Are you want to understand? Are you ready to understand the power of time leverage? If you are ready to, then chat and comment fastly. Are you ready to understand the value of time leverage? Please chat and comment us. Then only we will go through the next session, next presentation. Okay. Yes, some persons are writing yes. Okay. I okay. We will continue with the slide. Everyone has 24 hours. Everyone, each and everyone have 24 hours. Working hours 8 hours. 5 days we are working, and we work 50 weeks in a year. That's like estimated calculation is given here. 2000 hours per year to provide to your family. You have only 2000 hours per year. And normal man, common man, normal man, I'm talking about normal man. A normal man working only 40 years. And 40 into 2000, the calculation is 80,000 in your entire life. A common man, a simple man have only 80,000 hours. A large company, you can see, they hire and purchase your time, hire your time, and they have 10,000 employees. They are purchasing, hiring the what you are using, you can use, and we have the more whole life we have about 80,000 hours. A big company, a big organization have only in a one day. Let's see, if you are earning a 50,000 per month in India or whatever from where you are connected, it means 6 lakhs per year. 6 lakhs per year means 2,000 per year. It is divided, means 300 rupees per hour. It means if you multiply 80,000 into 300, in entire life, complete life, we only have to get 2.4 crore. It sounds good, na? But we got in simple installment, and a big organization got in a single day. See the difference? If you got the chance to create this system, I think your answer will be yes. I will show you the how you can do here. Okay. If you introduce this business with 2 people, they also introduce to the other 2, then it continues, and 30 FBOs we have. Why not 3? Why not 5? Or whatever you want. If you want to grow this business, you can grow in any state, any country, any continent, you can grow this business. Health and our marketplace, health and nutrition, personal care, weight management, skin and beauty care. Very big market. Okay, next please. Our marketplace, within health and nutrition, we are the world largest producer of aloe vera and controls all manufacturing process. This is the most important line. We controls all the manufacturing process by its own. It is a vertically integrated company. If anybody can write in chat or comment us, vertically integrated company. The complete process is on the control of Forever Living. Okay, please next, please. What is aloe vera? It is a plant that flourishes in hot, fertile, looks like a cactus. In India, we have known various names. In Ramayan, in Sanskrit we call it Dhrit Kumari, Ramayan Sanjeevani Bhuti, Mahabharat Bhuti Raj, Quran Musabbar, Bible Aloe. many names like Kumari, Korpat, Ghee, Kumar, etc. There are around 400 varieties of aloe vera, but only 4 or 5 contains medicinal properties. It is natural, safe and herbal plant that is used for thousands of years. It can be taken internally or applied tropically. If you can eat also, or you can apply it on your skin also. Okay, continue. Why FLP aloe vera? Why FLP aloe? Why Forever Living Products aloe vera? FLP unique patented stabilization process use only mature potent aloe vera called Barba densis Miller. Aloe Barba densis Miller. The best quality of aloe vera is called Aloe Barba densis Miller. You can write. Each leaf of aloe is hand cut for stabilization process. Each leaf is cutting with your hands. Independent test shown so that FLP stabilized gel and raw gel strength of the leaf essentially identical. Okay, why FLP aloe? Our products are free from pesticides, herbicides, artificial flavoring or coloring. It is 100% stabilized aloe vera and is the principal ingredient in all our aloe based products. Your body is precious. What you put in it should also be precious in your hands. The body is yours, not for your neighbors. Okay, thank you. Next, please. Why FLP? Why FLP aloe vera? Why? Because it gives you detoxification, the first part. Second part, it gives you nourishment. Third part, it gives you completely nutrition. And the most important thing, it strengthen your immunity power. You can write simple. First, detoxification. Second, nourishment. Third, repairing. And fourth, immunity booster. Okay, come to continue. This is our manufacturing facility. You can see it on slides properly. Under one roof, every work is going through. You can see, and you can see it on YouTube also. Go on YouTube and just type Forever Aloe Fields. You will watch this process in full details. YouTube, go on YouTube and type Forever Aloe Fields. Please anyone write in comment and chat Forever Aloe Fields. You have to go on YouTube. Okay. Next, please. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited? Each ingredient has to pass between 145 to 300 unique FLP tests. There are highest standards in the industry. This is FLP unique fingerprints. If any ingredient is not passed, it is total wasted and we waste it. Okay, next please. Next, Vivekji, please next slide. Okay, this is our manufacturing facility. You can see, I told you can go it on YouTube, watch this, everything. You can, each minute we are packing 300 bottles, 18,000 tetra pack per hour. Each minute, 25 cases are elected by robots and 6,000 boat containers we have. We are the biggest company that we have 6,000 boat containers. Please next slide. Various certificates, International Aloe Science Council, Leaping Bunny Animal Care, Halal certification, kosher rating, ISO certified. You can see these simple things. International Aloe Science is the council who gets only to those products who having more than 67% Aloe Barba densis Miller in a stabilized way. Leaping Bunny, we are not used it or tested in animals ever. Halal means currently cutted. Kosher rating, a highest quality and ISO certified company. Next, please. various awards in various countries. You can see every countries we have got best award of that country. This is the award of Philippines. Next up, you can see Hong Kong, Japan. Every country we got the award. Okay, we will go to the next slides. Next, please, Vivek. This is the company history, and in picture you can see this is our corporate office, home office, where Forever Globe is operated from here only. 168 countries is operated from here only. Let's see the data that is showing on your screen. Data, please. Launched in 13th May 1978. Now it's the company is turnover $3.8 billion. You can imagine, without any advertisement, without any promotion, a company completed its 42 years in 160 plus countries. That is, matlab, hats off. It is the history of our India. Company started in 2000 April. 2003 turnover 7 crore, 2006 46 crore, 2007 number 10 in the world, and you can see 2019 number 3 in the world, and right now we are number 2 in sales. We are in number 2. Our offices in India. This is our, at right side you can see, this is our head office in Bandra. Very smart company purchased this land, and these 19 offices working in all over the India. Okay, next please. This is the Forever Resorts, and it is our sister concern company. In European some countries we have many resorts, and if you are doing Forever Living, if you have Forever Business Owner card, if you got a huge discount you will got. Okay, next please. Okay, marketing plan is very simple. Everyone join as a preferred customer. Preferred customer is a word we are giving respect to our customers who's getting some discount, and they start using our products. There is two way in Forever Living products. One, you start slow way, preferred customer, and second, business partner. There is two way. Some amounts is written on your screen. You can see, you can understand it better who has invited you to this session. Most comfortable way, call to him or WhatsApp him, or make a personal Zoom training to him, or if you want to talk with me personally, you can talk. I will explain you to this very in simple way. Please next. Okay. These are the marketing plan. Uh, first time you are not going to understand much more about this. Honestly say, only 5-finger marketing plan. There are 5 levels. All positions are permanent. You only 2 months are required for this, doing this all. You have to understand about CC because because we work in more than 160 countries, and every country has a different valuation of his currency, and Forever has his own currency CC. In economics you can call this case credit or common currency, and the valuation of all the products in globally we have the same. We have 5 level. First level, preferred customer got the 15% discount. Assistant supervisor, assistant manager. Right now I am senior manager, and you got much more discount from after achieving assistant supervisor. How much of you are right now is on assistant supervisor level? Please raise your hand or chat or comment with us. Assistant supervisor, like I am, yes, sorry, type I am, yes. Next level is our supervisor. Third level is assistant manager, and the final dream level manager. Who is supervisor? Please write I am supervisor. Who is assistant manager? Please write I am assistant manager. And those who are managers who are attending these trainings, I respect you all. Please write I am manager. These are the only 5-finger marketing plan. Everybody can do it. You also can do it, because here only a dedication, a burning desire is needed. Nothing is required in forever living products. Only your burning desire is. You can earn several types of income from supervisor. Next, you can see from assistant manager, from managers. Manager is a cream level. You can earn, and you can earn what you can perceive, you can think, you can earn from here. There is a brief of our marketing plan. You have to watch simply our marketing plan to understand more about this. Part-time potential can be around 10,000 per month. You can easily earn from forever living products. Full-time, it all depend upon your efforts. Retail profit, the most powerful in the industry: discount, personal bonus, team bonus, leadership bonus, GEM bonus, earn incentives, car plan, international and domestic travel, chairman bonus. You can only by doing single work you can enjoy this all these things. Next, please. You can earn a car also. Income we call this car plan. Level 1, level 2, level 3, 26,000, 39,000, and 52,000. Only 3 months you have to work hard, and you will got the income as an installment or for upcoming 36 month 9 lakh 36,000, 14 lakh 4,000, and 18 lakh 72,000. Till date in India, we are showing you the Indian data. We have 1,013 qualifiers till November. Do you want to have a car? Do you want to have a car in your house, for your parents, for your family? Then type yes. Work on it. It is a domestic travel in 5-star with your spouse. You got this, and these are our previous records where the most of person have achieved already. Next, please. Next is our very attractive. Next, please. International travels, past rallies in the US, past global rallies. You can see the names, Dallas. You can see the Mexico, Philippines. You will, if you are wish to see the whole world, this is the right platform. Without investing a single rupee or a single currency from your pocket, you can travel the whole world. If you are that type of people, Forever welcomes you all. International travels. Okay, next. This is our Eagle Manager retreat. That is of also a international trip that requires only 12 months. Work hard, you can achieve, and you can go through. The last Pataya, it is the last our EMR 2019, and this is the most important thing. Most important thing. 4 crore 10,000 11 4 crore 10 lakh 11,260 rupees. Surya Sena. Sunil Gupta sir. 1 crore 79 lakh 83,129 rupees. Prem Rajan sir. 1 crore 20 lakh 76,050 rupees. And this is Arjun Singh, I think. 57 lakh 31,747 rupees and 77 paise. This is chairman bonus, like Diwali bonus. You can understand this. You can earn. If you believe, you can only earn. If you don't have belief, you can't earn a single amount from Forever Living products. This is the cream income. cream income, I can say. Diwali bonus. Okay, next please. More than 66 crores rupees we till distributed only in India. 66 crore in Indian rupees. Congratulations, India. It is our old slide. India is now number 2 in sales in worldwide. In among 168 countries, we are at number 2 till date. Next, please. And we have 3,144 millionaires till March. This was the previous data. Today we have taken away your excuse that you say you never had an opportunity. Come and join us. Join us. It is as simple as sharing stories. As you share your stories to the simple business, you simple share your stories, and I think we have to clap for him. This is the man reason, a visionary person. His words, mark the words, one of the greatest sources of illness in the world is an empty wallet. If you want to decrease the number of stomach problems or the ill effects of depression, then give a person to chance to earn a living. This is a powerful remedy. That's it from today's presentation. We have some guests today. We will talk to some people today. Okay, please start your video. Start your video, please. Okay, I unmute Kamlesh ji.